Did you know there's a hidden shortcut that lets you boost your light's intensity up or down by 10% with just 2 keystrokes? We select our fixtures. They are currently on 80%. That's pretty bright, so I want to decrease the intensity. So I hold the add button and touch the minus, and it will decrease in 10% steps until I like it. And now I can go on. If I want to add 10%, I just hold add and plus. We can change that easily inside the menu under general, and there's this hidden command hiding here, intensity level shortcut. And if you don't like 10% steps, you can easily change this here. It's like a quick coffee boost for your lights or a gentle snooze when you need them a bit darker.